Hi, this is Ken Goldman with MarineMax Fort Myers, and today I'd love to show you this beautiful 2016 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. The boat is in pristine condition, nicely optioned, includes a large bimini top. The hull is in great shape, as is the rest of the boat. Powered by a Mercury Verado 200 horsepower 4-stroke Pro Series. Beautiful engine, black with red accents. The boat includes underwater lighting, trim tabs, swim platform, and swim ladder. This boat is set up for both fishing and for family entertainment. You can see the large amount of seating, 2 jump seats, additional seating on the livewell, seating for 2 people at the helm, more seating over the forward cooler, lots of rod holders, the front sun platform, cushions can be removed to make it into a casting platform. Nice size windshield, provides quite a bit of protection underway. Large number of rod holders. When you remove the seat backs, those become 6 additional rod holders. An additional cooler under the helm seat. Helm seat flips in both directions. You can see the dash is nicely optioned. It includes Mercury digital throttle and shift, a large Raymarine display, as well as a Simrad display. Boat is nicely optioned, in great condition. For more information, please contact us at MarineMax Fort Myers, 239-481-8200.